Finally, there is some good news for all the TCS employees. Yes, we are talking about the TCS salary hike, which is one of the most awaited thing in the IT industry. Without wasting any more time, let us move forward. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. This is going to be an important video because we are going to discuss about the new compensation letters and what is the percentage hike that different bands have got. Without wasting any more time, let us move forward. I have one small request. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that. We post a lot of updates, lot of insights about the IT industry and overall scenario of the IT sector. So please do subscribe. The first important point is that new compensation letters for TCS employees have been released. Okay. Next thing is that the management at least tried to do something good for the employees because employees were longing. They were wanting this kind of salary hike from a long duration. Okay, so this was skipped in April and May, but now they have finally released the compensation letters, which is the reason why this is a festive season right now, and a lot of people are happy because they have got pretty decent salary hikes. We will discuss all the percentage salary hikes also, but if you have not received the new compensation letter email, then please check your Outlook. If the storage is full, then please try to delete some emails so that you can get the new emails, or try to increase the capacity, the size of the email box. Okay, the outlook basically. So the next important thing that we are going to discuss is basically the bands and the percentage of salary hike that the bands have got. So if you are someone who is having D band basically, so it will be around 0 to 2%. Okay, but some people might not even get the salary hike. If you are in PIP, or if your performance is not very good, if you have got lower than that, okay, bands, so you might also get a decrement in the salary. Okay, so this has happened with some of the candidates, okay, a couple of years back, but it can happen now also. But the good news is that for C band they are giving 2% to 4%. This is average that we have discussed with a lot of our subscribers. We have done a post also on YouTube, basically community post, and in that also, and I have personally interacted with a lot of people. So what we understood is that for C band it is 2% to 4%. For B band, okay, it is 5% to 8%. Okay, depending on the project, depending on the project growth, depending on the project budget, and depending upon the number of employees that are present inside your project. Okay, the most important part, that is A band. For people who have got A band, they will be getting 9 to 11% of salary hike. Personally, I have seen C1 grades and C2 grades getting around 10.59% salary hike also. So this is at least something good news, because last year for A bands it was roughly under 10%, right? So now they are going ahead, they are also giving around 11% of salary hike for A bands, people who are exceptional in their work. So these people can be senior people also, like that C2 is also again senior IT analyst position, right? The system engineers are also getting a decent kind of salary hike, and people who are in digital cadre or people who are in innovative cadre, they will also be getting good and decent enough salary hike. So the average inflation is around 6%. So to beat that inflation, you must also have an increment of 6 to 7%. Ideally, it should be 10%, but yeah, 6-7% is also okay. Okay, so I hope that this video was helpful. Now, if you are someone who is having C3A grade or C3B grade, right? So do let us know in the comment section what kind of appraisal have you got, or if you have not got, what could be the possible reason of not getting the compensation letters. Do let us know in the comment section, right? So with this, I would like to end our today's video. But guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post a lot of updates, we post a lot of videos about the insights of the IT sector in India. Okay, we are soon going to start a LinkedIn series on how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile and how you can create a profile that will help you to get more and more referrals, and that will help you to get more and more job opportunities. So do subscribe, and the video series will be soon out.